Everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at that good condition Walam 48 that I just got in from Mokas Raifus. Of course, if you guys haven't seen my previous video on the very good condition one and some of the issues that I ran into with that, make sure you go check it out. In the meantime, while I'm waiting on those other parts to come in for that very good condition one, we're going to take a look at this good condition one that I got from Mokas and see what you guys can expect. As I told you in a previous video, I got that very good condition with no crest, and I had the opportunity to buy one in good condition with a crest. So I was like, well, I'd like to have one of each because kind of strange like that. Of course, as you open one of these up, you see the typical, they have all their information contained in here with their FFL information, very nice, packaged together. Of course, it has peanuts. I don't care for peanuts, but they package it however they want to package it. Let's check it out. Michelle did assure me that this one would be complete, and once again, guys, according to her, what I got, that very good condition one I got, was an anomaly. It was not, it should have never made it out their door incomplete like that. You know, missing a loaded chamber indicator is one thing, but missing critical parts to the actual functionality is an entirely different matter. So let's check this one out. See what we got. And I'll try to remember to put the price up here, what I paid for it. Oh wow. What have we got here? Alright. So this one, once again, has really nice bluing. A few little small nicks on the Bakelite grips. Let me go ahead and get this magazine out off camera. We'll take a quick gander at it. That brown Bakelite floor plate on that magazine is in good shape. It doesn't appear as though there's any chips in it. That's cool. Oh wow. So that's cool. I'll try to put a close-up of this. Maybe try to translate it. I don't have a clue what any of this is, but maybe these were imported into the country in 2013? I don't know. Interesting. So this one is serial number Echo 03122. And we're kind of missing the rest of it right here, but I can see an Echo and I can see a 22 on the end. This one does have the Egyptian crest. So this would be the type or variant 1 because it has the Egyptian crest. There's our loaded chamber indicator. There's a little bit of light rust, slight surface rust. There's also just a little bit more on this side of the bluing, which I think will clean up nicely. And notice the 6 tons proof marking here. That means this Joker's been in Great Britain at some point in time. I'll try to get a close-up on that so you guys can see it. Has the same EPS Imports Chandler, Arizona marking here. A little bit of rust here. Grips are not chipped. Just a few little small dings in them. But the important thing is I need to get this slide off. We need to inspect that because I need to know what's going on here to make sure we're not missing other parts. Alright, well that one has, and there it went with the spring. I'll be finding that shortly. Well, there's our ejector. My spring went somewhere that direction. So it does have it. That's good. The bore is like super shiny on this one. I'll insert a picture top left. But it does have the ejector and the spring. Yeah. It does have the extractor assembly. That's a huge plus. I was a little concerned about that. Oh, whoa, hold up. That's interesting. There's an H marking on the inside of here. I don't know why there's an H in there. I don't think I noticed that on my other Walam. But as you can see, It's not stamped really well here for that serial number, so it's just an E and a 22. But for good condition, it's pretty stinking nice. I have to go get my spring that went somewhere over there in the floor. We'll check that out after I'm done with this video. But anyway, there is my Walam 48 in good condition from Mokas. Pretty pleased with this one. This one doesn't have the nick on the rear sight, and it's actually complete. And it has this cool tag to go along with it. I have no idea what that is. Anyway, I'll insert a picture. Maybe you guys are smarter than I am. You can figure it out, or maybe I'll just use Google Translate on it. But anyway, yeah, that's just, I guess that's proof tested there. Chris Gosling, take a picture, or take a good look at that photo. I think you know a lot about this. You can comment on this, sir. I know you know a lot of stuff, especially about stuff that was done in Great Britain. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty happy to have two different variants like that. Now I just got to go find my spring. But if you guys are still inclined, they do have good condition ones still in stock at the time of this filming. Once again, once I get the parts for my very good condition one, video link once again. Actually, I don't think I linked to it twice, but it's back earlier in this video. We'll get those in. We'll see if those parts are going to fit and see if I can repair it. I'm hoping I can, so I'll have two nice examples of these Walam 48s. But until then, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell notification and be signed up for alerts anytime I try to post deals, if I can get on them quick enough before they sell out. And by the way, Mokas has plenty of other stuff like PA63s, they got some Yugoslavian M70As, they got some M57s, they've got just all kinds of these cool Hungarian pistols. Check them out if you're so inclined. They got a lot of stuff out there. They got a lot of stuff in recently. So as always, just want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for once again for all your likes, your shares, your comments, and until next time, you guys have a great day.